Hi, 5 products mini makeup. CC cream all over my face, patting it around my nose, around my lips, brightening up the whole face. Using my fingers, a little massage on my face. I love the finish of it. It makes my skin glow. Love it. Yeah, patting and done. Feels so nice. Look at that. My skin is glowing. Yeah. Awesome. Press powder. Giving my face a finishing touch with a pressed powder. Smoothing everything out. Yeah. Eyeshadows. Using a gold shimmer on my lids. Really nice. I'm going to use it for my inner corners as well. Yeah, the inner corner pop. Now the other eye. Nice. Actually taking the same shade and going on my lash lines to brighten things up. Now brows. Using a cool matte brown here which matches my hair color. Defining my brows. That's very important to me. Yeah, spoolie. Using the same shade. Now defining my eyes a little with that cool matte brown shade on my upper lash line. And it gives a nice definition, yes. My lower lash line as well. I'm not using any kajal or liner. My eyeshadow as my liners today. Quick and easy. Mascara on my lower lash line, upper, yeah. Important. Yeah. Lip color. Choosing a bright pop of color on my lips with my lip brush. I like it. Tiny lip brush to define my lips a little. To give it a nice edgy finish. Yeah. Done. Almost done. Yeah, I love that shade. Now the final step. Yes, taking a for a smudge proof look. I'm taking the same lip color on my cheeks, dabbing it, and now you'll see the magic. Patting, dabbing, blending on my cheeks, the beautiful splash of color. Look at that flush, yeah, on my cheeks. I love it. Yeah, it makes me smile a lot, feels good. Look at my rosy cheeks. Love it. Now using the same shade, that golden one, on my cheeks as my highlight today. Yeah. Multitasking products. Look at that shine, that glow. Yeah. Make sure you blend it well. Yep. That's it, my friends. Now you try it.